TikTok Shop Affiliates is absolutely blowing up. Right here, we've got these protein brownie bites that are doing over $1.5 million per month. We've got this water flosser that's doing over $600,000 per month. And now I am making money every single day from these products because I'm doing TikTok Shop product research properly. And today I'm going to show you guys how to find the best products to create videos about for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean Peterson, and today we're going to show you guys how to make more money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you guys are not aware of this program, you are sleeping on a massive opportunity. Basically, what you do is you create simple videos talking about products just like this water flosser. You upload them to TikTok, you tag the product, and for every sale that you make, you generate a commission. And this is where people are literally generating thousands of dollars every single month from the comfort of their home, and you can do this too. So what I want to do is dive into my screen and break down my entire strategy to find the best products. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's jump into my screen and show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to be using a tool called Shop Plus. This tool is an absolute game changer. And what you guys can do is you guys can sign up with the link down below. You guys can get an 18% coupon code, and this tool is going to run just under $40. And there's other tools that people are talking about that cost upwards to a couple hundred. And so right here, Shop Plus is the only tool that you need when it comes to doing proper product research. So we come over here and we log into the account, and you come over here to the products tab. You click on top sales, and right here you can see all of the sales data for the top products. So you can filter this out by country, by category, different filters with price, with commissions. You can do advanced filtering. You can do it by 1 day, weekly, and monthly. So right here, just today, you can see that this particular product has done $193,000 in revenue. Absolutely mind-blowing. We've got this facial and neck massager, $35,000. We'll sort this from largest to smallest. And right here, we've got this collagen peptide powder, $142,000. We've got these headphones, $95,000. So as you can see, this tool is going to give you insights to make the best decision when it comes to finding products to make videos about for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So what I want to do first is talk about my criteria and what I'm looking for in a winning product that I'm going to make a video about. So as I showed you guys, we've got these Prime Bites, we've got this water flosser, we've got this electric protein shaker mixer bottle, that all these products check off the criteria. And the first thing that we need to find is a product that has viral potential, a product that you can make a simple, easy video talking about it. That is key. If you can't make a video about it, then don't even try. Like, if you're not familiar with it, like, there's products that are great, but they're meant for a girl, and I can't make a video about it, so I'm not even gonna waste my time. So this one, for example, and I'll put the video right here. I made a video in the shower of me using this. I made a video of me cleaning a corn. I was cleaning it, and the video has gone semi-viral, and it's done extremely well. And so taking this water flosser and making fun viral content, that's the secret. So that's the first thing to look at is, okay, can you make a viral piece of content? The second thing is the product actually selling, and do people actually want the product? So that's where this tool comes into play, where you can actually look at the revenue, the sales history, and the demand of the product. If people are not buying it, then you don't want to try and promote it. You want to find an existing product that is already selling, and then you're going to piggyback and ride the wave of that particular product. That is crucial. So what I'm looking for are products that have sold 500 to 1,000 plus units in the past. If they've sold at least 500,000 plus units, then I know that I can sell a couple units myself. So that's the second thing. The third thing is looking at the in-stock rate and making sure that there's actual units available, because if a video goes viral, it pops off and you get 1 million views and they only have 30 units in stock, well, you're not gonna make very much money. So making sure the available inventory is super high. The next thing that I also want to look at is the seller's review ratings. This is important because if the product is crappy, if the quality is terrible, then you might not as well even talk about the product. So that is another key factor to look at. And then lastly is the commission percentages and whether or not the commission percentage is actually worth it. So now with that all in mind, I'm going to show you guys how to kind of take that and actually implement it using Shop Plus. So right here, we'll dive into my screen. and we'll come over here to the country because obviously we're selling in the country. You can come over here to a specific category. We'll just start with all, and then from there you'll find a list, and then you'll kind of narrow it down to find additional products. So we'll just start with the categories all. We'll come over here to price. I'm not going to worry about the price for now, but I do want to come with the commission. And I'm going to say the minimum commission that I'm going to even look at is 10%. Now, some people might say to look even higher, and to be honest, you can. So if you want, we could even come here and find products that have at least a 20% to 100% commission. And then from there, I just add that, and then I can come over here to the advanced filtering, and I'm going to select the monthly just to kind of see the overall monthly sales data. And right here, you have a list of products that are crushing it, that have high revenue. So this is one thing. We've got sales. I mean, they've done 149,000 units in sales. Well, that shows that it's credible. At this particular, it looks like it was removed, but it's this gut and colon support formula. For me, I mean, I could maybe make a video about it, but it doesn't really intrigue me, so I'm not even going to really worry about that. The commission is super great, so that's another thing, is you have a high commission. If we scroll down right here, this is going to be a great product for anybody that is into styling hair. So we've got this Beach Waver, so it's this rotating curling iron. They've done 1.45 million. They've got a high commission rate of 20%, and this is a product that like, I know my wife could make a crazy mega viral video talking about this super cool rotating curling iron. So that would be a product that catches my attention almost immediately. For me, not, because look, I don't got long hair to curl my hair, so I'm not going to be able to make a video about this. So again, that's just common sense. And you can scroll down, and again, we've got this single thermal brush, whatever that is. They're crushing it, $1 million. They got a 20% commission. So there is another product that I'm definitely interested in looking at. And one thing that you can do is we'll click on here, and we can kind of get a feel for the seller, the product rating. So it's got great reviews, 4.8 out of 5 star. That's phenomenal. That is another thing that we definitely want to look at. So this one, again, if I was a girl, this one would check off the box, and that would be a great product. So I'm going to come over here and add it to my favorites, and then you have a complete favorites tab of products that you want to potentially review. And then you can come back to them, and whether you're going to purchase them, whether you're going to reach out to the company to get a sample, or maybe you have some sample credits, or maybe you have the credibility to just request a sample as well. So as we scroll down, we're going to see we've got these Beast Bites, which, just a side note, they're literally scamming you guys. I actually was promoting this for a second. I generated some commissions, but I come to find out they got third-party tested, and they don't actually have the creatine that they say that's in it. But like, they're crushing it. And so this product, and I did a review because I take creatine. I like to work out, and this is a great product. Like, it's a gummy, and so that was something that I'm looking at, and they're crushing it. And then the commission is 27%, so that's good. Again, I'm not going to support them just because they're lying about how much is in their creatine. But this is another one. This neck and shoulder back massager, doing $600,000. They've got a 30% commission. So if you, for every sale that you generate, so $32, and they got a 30%, so you're generating almost $10 every single time that you refer this product. So this is a really good one. And a matter of fact, I actually have one of these on the way that I'm going to review, because you can make a viral piece of content, and it's an easy product to make content about. So as you can see, like, this tool makes it extremely easy for you to identify products that have high sales revenue, that have, we'll click on this, make sure that they've got good rating. So 4.5 out of 5 star rating. I would say that that's pretty good. They've got a high commission, and you're able to literally find product after product. Right here is another one that I'm actually going to review as well. It's this nutritional digital scale, and it's actually pretty cool. Like, you can put food on it, and it will tell you like all the macros and the contents in it, and the calories and all that stuff that you can track with an app. So it's pretty cool, and that's another product that I can make content about. And so these are the type of products that I am definitely looking at. So I'll come over here, and I'll add this to my favorites. And again, I'll just create an entire list of products that I want to review. And that's the product research strategy. It is as simple as going here, going through Shop Plus, coming to the products tab, and just scrolling. And again, you can filter it by price. You can come to a specific category. So let's say you're super into sports and outdoors. So I want to find all the sports and outdoors products. So we've got a lot of different leggings. We've got this no sweat like sauna t-shirt, which whatever that is. We've got this this adjustable weight bench that's doing 31,000. So like that's decent. But I'm going to categorize this to be the largest to smallest. And so yeah, right there, sports and category, there's not as many options. So we'll come over here to another one. We'll come to phones and electronics. We'll just go to all. And right here, we've got a list of products. We've got these headphones that you can make a great piece of content comparing these to Apple AirPods. Like this is $15. Like Apple AirPods, we're talking about $200-300. And so you say, hey, Apple AirPods are literally 30x the price, and you can get these for cheaper. And you can go over all the features and why they're way better. And again, 20% commissions, and they've generated significant revenue. So yeah, that is my entire process to finding the best products. And so far, all of the products that I've found using this software, again, I found this electric shaker bottle, I found these Prime Bites, found this water flosser. They're all performing fantastically, and you just need to go in and find these awesome opportunities and start making videos. And if you do that, you will start printing money. Again, this is the largest opportunity right at your fingertips, and you just need to take advantage of it. So again, I'll put the link down below to Shop Plus. You guys can get 18% off. The plans start at like $49 a month, so you can get 18% off of that, which is phenomenal. Again, there's other tools that are more expensive that I see people promote, but this one honestly does an amazing job, and you're going to love it. So yeah, take advantage of it. That's my product research criteria. That's how I'm finding products to make video bouts for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And if you guys need additional help, I'll actually put a link down below. You guys can watch a free training that I put together talking about the entire A to Z process for TikTok Shop affiliates, and you can watch that. And if you need additional help, feel free to reach out. I'm easy to find. You guys can follow me on TikTok. You can follow my journey there. It's at Jim Peterson. You can reach out to on Instagram. Whatever it is, I'm here to help you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see in the future, and we will see you in the next one.